you've seen the federal government basically throw in the towel. There's been no new guidance, very little effort coming from the federal government, and I think that is definitely contributing to a nationwide surge.
Medical information and the public's health is being played with for political purposes.
Have been urgently saying every single day that we have got to do things that have not been done uniformly and consistently throughout the country. The numbers that you put up are stunning.
I'm really worried that we've accommodated to that. People are getting used to that terrible reality. So we got to do work to try and drive it down, both through individual actions, our behaviors, and by the words of leaders and the actions of leaders. And